Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO F23 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first open new message. Once you are in keyboard, all you have to do is to click on settings icon, then select languages and click on add keyboard. Choose the language that you want to apply. You can either scroll all the way down or tap on search area and enter the language that you want to use. Click on it and now select done. Now you can stay with both languages if you want, or you can remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit and then smoothly mark the unwanted language. But let me stay with both of them. And now you've got two keywords here. To switch between them, all you have to do is to click on this word icon here. So that's it, that will be all. So you can apply a new keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.